everyone, it's me Chanel here, and today I have 3 DIY natural homemade cleaners or products which are an excellent way to not only save money but on the environment, as well as they are great for allergy sufferers. You can do this by making your very own cleaners such as dusting sprays, glass cleaners, and all-purpose cleaners, as I'm going to show you on today. Let's get started. And here you will need for these products some pretty apothecary glass spray bottles. As you can see, mine happen to be gilded in gold. It was just my preference. And also a dish maybe to keep all of your products in after you have created them. Next we have here a DIY dusting spray. And here you will need 10 drops of lemon essential oil, 1 cup of water, 1/4 of a cup of vinegar, a glass spray bottle, a measuring cup, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and you're going to mix it all together in your bottle, give it a vigorous shake, and dust away all the bunnies, leaving your space not only dust-free, as well as smelling lemony fresh. And next we have here is your DIY glass cleaner. You have seen me use this so many times in several videos, and I can almost, swear by it. I love to use basic household alcohol. And all you will need here is a glass spray bottle and a bottle of household alcohol. And you'll just fill up your bottle to your desired amount and go ahead and clean all of your glass surfaces, such as your mirrors and your tables, as you will see me do coming up in the video. And I also have, which I will leave the link in the description box below in the blue letters, and you'll just click it. It is a previous video on how to make your home smell amazing. And again, I will leave that link in the description box below. Check it out after this video. Now this last one here is a DIY, just a all-purpose spray or just a cleaner, and it will leave your spaces smelling citrusy and fresh and clean. It is basically using the peel from an orange. All you will need is a glass bottle, and what you're going to do is just infuse the water with the orange peel, as you will see me do. You're just going to place it inside the glass bottle with some water from your tap, close the lid, let it sit maybe a couple of hours, open it. Oh my gosh, the smell is absolutely amazing. And you'll just go forth and clean up your surfaces all up top, and again it will leave it citrusy, fresh and clean. Give it a whirl. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Now, as you see me do, I clean up top of my countertops as well as my cabinet doors and drawer pulls as well. Again, it is an excellent cleaner and freshener for your home without using store-bought products. Nothing wrong with that if that is your preference. I'm just giving you here some simple DIY ways to make your own home products to clean with, disinfect, and to leave your home smelling nice and fresh. Now again, I hope you enjoyed the video and you get inspired, and you know what I'm going to say, motivated and moved to create your home products in your home for yourself to cut down on the allergies that some may suffer with using the homemade products and save you a few coins as well. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button.